So hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed my previous video on books that can change your life part 1. If you haven't seen it yet friends, kindly click on the link above to watch it. It's time now to look at some more wonderful books that can change your life. Let's get started. Friends, do you want to know how to stop procrastinating, build your time management skill and get more done in less time? This book exactly does that. Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. In this masterpiece, Brian brings to you 21 great strategies to master your time. A book actually worth memorizing. Are you looking for a game-changing book on leadership? If you want to operate at the level of wow, be an exceptional leader and live life full out, then get this book today, friends. The Leader Who Had No Title by Robin Sharma. Robin Sharma wonderfully narrates a modern fable on real success in business and in life. Personally, I am a big fan of Robin's style of creative narration of stories. This book gives a wake-up call to leader in you. Truly an eye-opener. Are you looking for sources to kick out negativity and live a truly positive and powerful life? Then you must read this special book by Og Mandino, the greatest salesman of the world. This book takes you through an interesting story of a poor camel boy who achieves a life of abundance. How? Read this magical book and find out. A story you will benefit from. Friends, do you want to know what the rich teach their kids about money that the poor and middle class do not? Invest today in this special book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. In this wonderful book, Robert Kiyosaki helps you to understand the rich man's philosophy, advocates the importance of financial literacy and financial independence, and helps you identify the smart road to riches. A book that definitely changes your perspective about money. Go get it. Friends, do you want miracles to happen in your life? There's a book that can exactly do it. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Friends, if you're seeking self-development, peace of mind, love and happiness, this is the book you're looking for. Dr. Joseph Murphy shows you how to tap your inner power and create wonders. This book can change your life. I like what Zig Ziglar says. He says that a book that you do not read cannot help you. So please make sure, my friends, that you get into the reading habit and read wonderful books that will impact you and your life positively. I sincerely thank everyone who are watching my videos, who subscribe to my channel, who are dropping the comments in the comment section below, and who are sharing my videos with their friends and families. Thank you so much, friends. See you very soon with my next video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell button below this video so that you will never miss any of my future videos that I'll be posting. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. Please feel free to share it with your friends and families and drop your comments as to how you felt about this video. Thank you once again and have a great week ahead.